guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I sleeked up my 4C, 4B, 4 whatever hair into this sleek bun, okay? There's no heat required. It's super easy, it's super quick, and I'm going to show you guys how I added a little bit of extra hair to give my bun some volume. So let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to use this hair growth oil. This just keeps my scalp really moisturized, and I always make sure to do this before I do any type of updo or bun, or if my hair is going to be tucked away under a wig, because I have a really dry scalp naturally, so I have to give it some life, some moisture. I will have this one linked in the description box below if you're interested. I don't know if it's why I have thick hair, but it's definitely not hurting. But now I'm gonna go ahead and spray some water throughout my hair, because I would not dare try to style my hair when it's completely dry. So just add some water so that it's nice and damp. Then I'm gonna go in with my Carol's Daughter leave-in combing cream, I believe. I'll have this linked in the description box as well. This smells really good. It's nice and lightweight, and it's just gonna add a little bit of extra moisture to my hair, because as you guys can see, it is just dry AF, okay? It just be dry. So before I style it, I try to put as much moisture into it as possible so that I don't get a lot of breakage, etc., when it's time to take it down. And I really try to focus this all throughout my hair, making sure to put some towards the middle of my head that gets neglected a lot of the time with products. And as you guys can see, I added that little bit of water and my hair is already shrinking up. So I'm going to go ahead and comb it out to try to stretch it out some more before I go ahead and start to do the slick down. I'm using a wide tooth comb. This one has really long teeth, so I would recommend this if you have super thick hair like me, because it just allows me to comb through all the kinks and coils and just get my hair nice and detangled before I slick it up, because the key to any sleek hairstyle is making sure that your hair is detangled, because if it's not, it will not lay flat. And I'm just telling you that because I've seen people try it and it doesn't work, it just looks dumb. I'm using this bottle of Eco Styler. You can use whichever one works for you. This one works for me. The rest of them are too light hold. This one has more of a hold to me. I don't know. Use what you like, but I'm just going to use this all over the perimeter of my hair, and I'm going to be very generous with this. I dipped the brush into the gel. That's how much gel I'm using. So yeah, feel free to use as much gel as you like. This is just what I like to do because it just gets the hair to lay down nice and smooth. And I'm using a medium hard brush. It's not super hard, but it's not super soft, because you need something that's going to really grip them edges, okay? So yeah, just go ahead and slick up your hair like you would normally. And if you guys saw my previous sleek bun video, you guys would know that I could not get my hair to sleek up in one section, because for one, it was too short, so I just couldn't get it to all stay up together without doing it into sections. And now your girl can make a bun in one piece. Wow, growth. That is what we call growth. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm still slicking up the hair. This is not the final form of the ponytail, but of course I like to tie my hair up multiple times in this process as I continue to make it even more sleek. And I'm going to go in now with this gel. It's a little bit more thick than the Eco Styler. It's by Fantasia, I believe. This stuff is really greasy, so be careful, but it does have a little bit more hold than the Eco Styler, and I like how it slicks my hair back. But it is a little oily, so be careful with your skin. Make sure you really wash your face if you're going to use this, because I tend to get pimples around my hairline when I use this gel. So I don't know if I'm going to continue using it, but let me know if you guys have any recommendations in the comments down below. Now I'm taking an even harder brush and I'm going along the edges of my hair, because you really want to slick the hair back. As you guys can see, this brush has already made a huge difference in how slick the hair looks. So yeah, use a little bit of a harder brush, and we're going to go ahead and take the ponytail down again, slick the hair up even more, just to make sure we have it as tight and as sleek as possible. You don't have to make your bun as tight as I make mine, but I have really kinky. I have really coarse, kinky hair So in order for it to be sleek, I have to tie my ponytails pretty tight, but do it to your comfort. Don't make it so tight that you have a headache, because I've done that before and it's miserable. So just make it tight, but not too tight, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and do our edges. I'm going to just be using this edge brush that I got from the beauty supply store and pull out the baby hairs or the broken edges that I'm going to be using to slick down. And for my edges, my holy grail product is the Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control. I will have them listed in the description box below. This is the best edge control that I have ever tried. I haven't found anything better than it. Hicks isn't better. Ebene isn't better. The 24-hour edge controls aren't better. Like, this just works so well for me, and I would very much recommend it to you guys if you guys are looking for an edge control that is going to last all day. Like, literally, your edges will last all day without having to reapply product. You can go out in the heat and it won't melt off. So yeah, I've tried a bunch of different edge controls, y'all. So trust me when I tell you that this one is really, really bomb. But do be careful, because I do hear that some people experience this edge control turning white on them. I don't know if it's because I moisturize my hair so heavily before I slick it back that I don't get that white type of appearance. But yeah, I don't experience that, but some people have told me that it makes their hair turn white. So just be careful of what products you're using in your hair before you apply this, okay? You can do your baby hairs however you like. I'm just making some little swoops around my edges. My hairline dips in and out a lot, so the way I do my baby hairs is a little different. As you guys can see, my hairline goes out, then in, then out, then in. So okay, so the hard part is over, for me at least, but some people find this next step to be quite difficult. I don't know why, but we're gonna add some extra hair to the bun. I'm just using some kinky, curly, wavy synthetic hair that I got from the beauty supply store. And as you guys can see, it looks really matted and really knotty and just a mess. But the messier, the better when it comes to this, because my hair isn't super shiny, super curly, super all of that. So I need something that's going to mimic my hair texture. And I find that the synthetic curly hair from the beauty supply store does the trick for me. It's super affordable, and as more time goes by, it just looks even better and better. So I'm just pulling out the hair so that I can wrap it around the ponytail. And what I'm going to do, as you guys can see, is I'm going to take the track and wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And if you guys noticed, I have not used any bobby pins yet. You don't need that many bobby pins for this. You're just going to wrap it pretty tightly around the base of your bun, making sure to really tuck that track under there, but don't make it too tight, because like I said, it's going to give you a headache. So tie this around. You don't have to add bobby pins here. I find that the more bobby pins that I add, the more it gives me a headache. I know a lot of people are afraid to not use bobby pins because it's like, girl, if somebody's going to rip my bun off, that thing is going to come off. But I promise you guys, it will not come off. This is so secure. It's not going anywhere. And I'm just going to secure the end of it with one bobby pin. Okay, just one. Just to make sure that the bun doesn't go unraveling. But if you wrap it around the base of the hair tight enough, it's not going anywhere. I promise, okay? Nobody's going to be able to rip your bun off your head. Now, as you guys can see, the ponytail looks really messy, and that's how you want it. So you're just going to twist it and wrap it around and make the bun shape. Now, I know that went really fast, so let me just play it back in slow-mo for you guys. It is so simple. You're just going to twist and wrap the hair around to make the bun. And it's not going to come out the same every time. You might have to play with it, but that's just how I do it. And then I just apply one more bobby pin just to secure the bun in place. And then we are done. That is the completed bun, you guys. So quick, so easy. You can add more bobby pins if you so choose, but this is all I do to do my buns. I get so many questions about people asking me how I do my buns. It is so simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Now that my hair has gotten longer, girl, my buns are so much easier to do. So I really love how this turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, this is the final outcome. Okay, you guys, so that is how I achieved this bun. This is literally my signature hairstyle. Like when I don't feel like putting a wig on, when I don't feel like doing my natural hair, when I don't feel like doing anything, I put my hair in this bun and it gives you an instant facelift. It's so beautiful, it's so easy. And now that my hair is a little bit longer, I don't have to split it into so many sections as I did in my past video that I did maybe sometime last year. I don't remember when that video went up. And I got somebody asking me on Twitter to do this video, so shout outs to you. Let me know what you guys want to see me do next in the comments down below. I have more videos where this came from, so make sure you guys stay tuned to my channel for my next upload. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and your notifications are turned on so that you'll be notified every single time I upload a video, period. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.